I have a lovely pet dog named Max. He's a friendly and energetic Labrador retriever. Taking care of him is a big responsibility, but it's also very rewarding. Every day, I make sure Max has fresh food and clean water. I feed him in the morning and evening, and I always check that he has enough to eat. Exercise is essential for Max's well-being. We go for a walk or play in the yard every day. He loves to chase a ball or play Tug-of-War. It's not only fun for him but also keeps him healthy. Grooming is another part of pet care. I brush Max's coat to keep it clean and shiny. It also helps reduce shedding. Giving him a bath is an occasional treat, but I make sure to use a dog-friendly shampoo. Regular vet visits are crucial. I take Max to the veterinarian for checkups and vaccinations. It's essential to keep him protected from diseases. Max is also a part of our family, so he gets lots of love and attention. We spend time together, and he enjoys being petted and cuddled. Caring for Max has taught me responsibility and the joy of companionship. I wouldn't trade it for anything, and I can't imagine life without him.